Good evening. Today we are discussing about Oracle demo. What is Oracle? What is the use of Oracle? Oracle is known as a database. It is known as database. Technically, it is known as relational database management system. Relational database management system. What is RDBMS? RDBMS is a software. What is the purpose? It is useful to store your data and to process your data. To store your data and also to process your data. This is the purpose of RDBMS. Oracle is one type of RDBMS. So Oracle is also useful to store your data and also to process your data. To store data and also to process your data. Okay, what are the examples of RDBMS? Different companies. From different companies, we have different RDBMS softwares are there. From Oracle company, we have Oracle RDBMS. From Microsoft company, we have SQL Server. And from IBM, the RDBMS is known as DB2. Like this, from different companies, we have different RDBMS softwares are there. Any RDBMS is useful to store your data and also to process your data. Right? Now, let me explain. Yes, Herlin Yadav, you can upgrade with this course training. Yes, you can upgrade. Listen carefully. So, what is Oracle? Purpose of Oracle? We understand. But why should a person need an RDBMS? Again, I'm repeating. Why should we need RDBMS? So in the old days, there is no RDBMS. In the old days, there is no RDBMS. But even though we are maintaining information, nowadays, why we need RDBMS? If there is no RDBMS, what is the problem? Listen one point. In the old days, before computerization, the data we are maintaining in the form of books. Manually, we are writing information in the form of books. Suppose, let me take a bank. In the old days, the banking transactions and the information of customers, information of customer accounts, everything they are maintaining under books. So first day, some data is there. Second day, some other data is there. Third day, some other data is there. So every day, the data is increasing. The data is increasing according to your business transactions. Okay, one book completed. Then we will start second book. Second book completed. Like that, we have to maintain so many books, so many number of books to maintain our business transactions. Okay, let us assume 100 books are full. 100 books are full with the information of banking transactions. In future, if you want to search for any one old information, in future, if you want to search for 5 years old data, then it will take very long time to search your data. Why? Because manually we are verifying it. That is very difficult to manage your data if your data size is increasing. Understand? So simple data means we can easily manage it in the form of books or papers. If there is huge amount of data, you can manage manually, but it is very, very difficult. Okay, for example, I am giving a small example. It's very silly example, but it is most meaningful example. What is 10 plus 20? Again, I am repeating. Simple calculation. What is 10 plus 20? 30. 20 plus 30, 50. Anybody can easily answer. Suppose 10 plus 20 plus 30, then 60 is the answer. If anybody is asking like this, 275 plus 2750 minus 2950 plus into 5 plus something, there is a complicated expression. So we will take a long time to calculate it. At that time, we are depending on calculator. Why? If it is a simple calculation, we will do it manually. If it is complicated calculation, we will do it by using calculator. Why? Because it is very faster than manual calculation. Same scenario apply to your business. If your business is very small, then you can easily manage your business data manually. If the business is complicated, then we should manage it through software. One of the information management system software is Oracle. Okay, now I hope you understand why we are depending on RDBMS. First concept, what is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. It is a software. Purpose, store data, process data. Completed. Okay, next step is why we need really RDBMS. That what I have explained just before few seconds. Okay, now my question is, can I maintain RDBMS software for my personal data? Not necessary. For my very small business? Not necessary. If your business having more number of transactions every day, then definitely you need RDBMS. So RDBMS useful to manage your data. Where is the data? From where you are getting data? That point I want to explain. That point I am explaining. Again, I am repeating. See, data is always generating from business. Data is always generating from business. Server, business, so many businesses are there. Banking is a business. Insurance is a business. RTC, Road Transport Corporation, is a business. Railway, it's business. Right? So every business having some objects. Each business has some objects. What are the objects we have? What are the objects we are having? See, the objects are like this. In each business, we have employees, and employees are working under departments. And under each business, we have products, and also under each business, we have customers. Don't miss this. Again, I'm repeating. Under you can take any business, not only bank or any. Let me take my show. What is book my show? It is a business. Yes, it is a business. Through book my show, we are getting tickets and we are verifying books and we are seeing list of theaters and movie show timings. This is all information. If you consider any business, the business has objects. What are they? The business has objects. So don't miss this point. Okay. See, business is having objects. What are the objects you have? It has objects. Some of the objects of including departments, products, customers. If I take any one business, suppose ICICI Bank. In the bank, do you have employees? Yes. The employees working under departments? Yes. And bank is offering some accounts? Yes. And also the business bank is having customers? Yes. So from each business object, the data will be generated. From each business object, the data will be generated. See here, this is your database. So what is database? Database is also known as RDBMS, and it is useful to store your data and also to manage your data. Here, this is called as RDBMS or DB. DB server, database server. So it has some storage area. What is the information of objects? Suppose you are working in a company. As for example, simple example, you are working in a company. You have employee ID, employee name, salary, designation, join date, project name, department name. This is information of you, like you. 1,000 employees are working in a company. 1,000 employees are working in a company. And 1,000 lines of data related to employees. For example, in my company, 20 departments are there. 20 departments. Department 1, department name protection, department location Chennai. Next one, department 2, department name manufacturing, department location. Again, department 3. Like this, how many departments you have? 20 departments. 20 departments means 20 lines of data. 10,000 employees means 10,000 lines of data. If I take a product, simple example, product. Let me take any one product. Suppose if I take one business, I want to open any one sales business, that like e-commerce, like Amazon.in. What is Amazon? It is a business. And what is there in Amazon? In Amazon, we have so many products. You can purchase any product. Before purchasing a product, Before purchasing a product, you should know the information of the product. What is the price of the product? How it look like? In how many days I will receive the product? If I want to return the product, what is the return policy? Everything we will check under Amazon. Again, let me type it manually. It's taking some time. Amazon.in. Yeah. So how many products under Amazon? So many products. All products information. All products information under Amazon will be saved under database. This is about your database server. Where is your business data? Again, guys, where is your business data? Business data is available under the business data is available under database server. How it is useful to the end user, to the common public, how the data is useful. Okay, for that I am explaining. I am extending the diagram. Listen carefully. Again, see, here there is one person. Assume that there is a person. He want to buy a mobile. What he want to do? He want to buy a mobile. So he can buy the mobile online. So he want to buy a mobile under Amazon. www.amazon.in. Okay, he opened one web page. In this web page, he want to search mobile. I want to buy this mobile OnePlus 8. This is the mobile I want to purchase. So here, once he typed the mobile model, and here you have an option search button. He has one search button instead. Yes, Yamuna, tell me. Yeah, hello guys. If you have any problem whenever you are listening that class, hold me, ask me whatever problem you are facing. Okay. So in generally in case of online class, sometimes audio will be disturbed. Don't disconnect from the session immediately. Don't disconnect. Within few seconds, the audio will be recovered. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. What is my target? I want to purchase a mobile. My mobile model number is OnePlus 7. So just type my mobile model number and select this button. Okay, guys. I'm looking for the mobile. That is, once I select the set button, then my request is going to web server. There is a middle level server is there that is called as web server. So my request is passed to web server. Okay, pass. Assume that the request has passed. If you understand this diagram, you can completely understand why are you learning Oracle. No doubt at all. And in Oracle, what you are learning, everything you will understand once you understand this diagram. Okay, request passed to web server, and the request again passed to database server. First step, see, this is called as first step. Remember, this is the, hold on, let me write. This is first step. Your request passed to web server. And this is the second step. Your request passed to database server. In the database server, everybody, think one point here. In the database server, all Amazon products are available. Mobiles are there, laptops are there, televisions are there, washing machines are there, ovens are there, apparels are there, footwear are there. So many millions of products in the database. Understand my point, guys? So many millions of servers, millions of products in the server. Suppose, for example, go to any shop, ask for any one product. In the shop, there is an executive, employee is there. He will take order from you. According to your order, he will search the product and the employee will show the details of the product in the direct shopping, not in online. Again, I'm repeating. Suppose you want to purchase any one item. Go to shop, ask for product. Then the employee, the shop employee, within the shop employee is there. The employee in the shop, he will search for your product and he will show and he will explain about that product directly to you. But in online, so many products in the database server. Who will search my product here? Who will search my product? Listen carefully, guys. My request will be received by one person. Who is that person? Database program. That's very important. Your request is received by database program. The program, it will search under your data. Say what it is doing. Search for your product. Again, I'm writing search for your mobile model. Search for your mobile model. Okay, finally, it has some result. So, the result is called as output or result or information. So, what is this? Result. Okay, or what it is called as output. Okay, the program is giving some output that is passed to web server. From web server, that is passed to database server. Very, very, very important point here. Then the person can see the information. The person can see the information. See, I am giving some steps here. Database program receive your request. So that information searched, the result will be passed fourth step, and that information again displayed on web page. This is the steps. Every day in online, you can order anything, cancel anything, search anything. Again, I'm repeating, every day through your mobile, you are doing so many actions according to your requirement. Some people searching data, some people making transactions, some people canceling the order, some people making new order, right? For any action from your mobile, backend process is like this. Can I repeat it again? Right. What is the topic we are discussing, guys? What is the topic we are discussing? We are discussing about Oracle. What is Oracle? Again, I'm repeating. What is Oracle? Oracle. It is an RDBMS. Oracle is an RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. It is useful. It is useful to store and to process your data. Process means selecting your data, making changes in your data, canceling your data. Process data. Where is the data? Where is the data? Data always generated from business. Data is always generated from the business. Remember this. Data is always generated from the business. What is business? Business is a collection of objects. Business is a collection of objects. Collections of objects and transactions. Business is a collection of objects and transactions. What are objects? If you take any one business, the business has employees, departments, products, customers, transactions. Take any one bank, ICICI Bank. In the bank, do you have employees? Yes. Do you have departments? Yes. Bank is offering account types. Yes. Account types are nothing but products. And every bank is having customers. Yes. Not only bank. Suppose not only bank. Sir, I will consider railway department. So in the railway department, yes, sometimes you will get disturbance. Okay. In the railway business also, do you have employees? Yes. Departments? Yes. What are the products in railways? Anybody? What are the products under railways? What are the products? Anybody? Products are nothing but trains. What are the available things under railway business? Trains. So trains are known as products. And through each train, people are traveling. Through each train, some people are traveling. So that traveling people are known as customers. The traveling people are known as customers. Understand? So if you consider any business, there should be common objects, employees, departments, products, customers. From each object, the data will be generated. Each object, the data will be generated. So that data saved under database server. The data we are saving under database server. Okay. All the data stored under database server. Where is your data present? Your business data is here. This is the data. Your business data is here. How the data is useful to the common public? How the data is useful to the common public? Like this. In online, if anybody requesting for any information, for example, this person is requesting for this mobile model information. That request is passed to web server. Under web server, you have Java programs, .NET programs, what is PHP programs, or Python programs. Under web server, what are the different languages? Java, .NET, Python. Okay, the programs are sending the same request to the database. In the database server, you have so much information. In the database server, you have so much information. Who will search your information? The information will be searched by database program. The database program is known as business application. What is that? It is known as business application. How to write a database program? Okay, again, I am typing here. It is known as business applications. It is known as business application. How to write this? See, database program is a collection of. It is a program. How to write this program? By using SQL and PLSQL statements. How to write this program? By using SQL and PLSQL statements. Who will write these programs? Who will write these programs? These programs can be written by these programs can be written by database developers. DB developers. Who will write these programs? Database developers according to your business requirement. Understand this. So the program is searching for your information. And from that search, you are getting some output. The output again passed to web server. From web server, the output again passed to web page. So that the end user or customer getting information from your database. Anybody, guys? Do you have any questions up to here? Do you have any questions up to here? Anybody? Do you have any questions up to here? Okay. Now, I hope you understand in online how the database is used, and in online how we are receiving information. Beyond that, what is the process? You understand this. Now, my question is, who will write these programs? The programs written by DB developers. How to write the programs? By using SQL and PLSQL statements. By using SQL and PLSQL statements. Listen guys, in Oracle, you are learning about SQL and PLSQL. What you are learning? What is SQL and what is PLSQL in our training. So if you know SQL and PLSQL, then you are ready to write DB programs. Database server programs you can write. Those programs are called as business applications. According to real-time business activities, you are ready to write some database programs or applications. That is the target of a database developer. Again, in our training, we are learning about SQL and PLSQL. By using SQL and PLSQL, you are writing database programs. And those programs you can write based on business requirements. Now, coming to this part. So just now I explained how the data will be generated. The data is generated for business. Business is a collection of objects. And from each object, data will be generated. Okay. Now, let us see here in our training what you are learning. In our training, you are learning about Oracle, OLTP, RDBMS development. How to develop this RDBMS by using SQL and BMS. Under SQL, you are learning about commands, concepts, objects. What is SQL? Structured query language. What is PLSQL? Procedural language using SQL. Again, what is SQL? Structured query language. What is PLSQL? Procedural language along with SQL part. Under SQL, you are learning about different commands. SQL is a language to communicate with the database. By using SQL, you are writing queries. Queries are known as statements. We can write queries by using commands. Each command will perform one business activity. Each command will perform one business activity. So, in SQL, you are learning about commands, operators, classes, and objects. What are the different objects you have? Tables, views, indexes, sequences, synonyms, concepts, constraints, joins, subqueries, at last functions. And similarly, what is PLSQL? In PLSQL, it is also a language, but procedural language. By using PLSQL, you are writing programs. Those programs permanently saved under database server. Those are called as procedures, functions, triggers, packages. Each and every object will perform a different task. So this is about what you are learning under Oracle. Our training duration is 40 days. 40 days. Every day our class is at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. IST, and I will collect your mail IDs through the GoToMeeting only. I will collect, don't worry, and I will send whatever the course content we are discussing in the class. I will send to you by today night. And every day I will record the class, and you can access that recorded files. You can access that recorded files until 6 months. Within 6 months, you can access that videos. Yes, I have your mail IDs, don't worry. If I don't have any mail ID, I will collect it from the GoToMeeting window. Don't worry about it. Now, in our training, we are learning about both SQL and SQL. Both we learn. Tell me if you have any questions, then ask me. Anybody, if you have any questions, then ask me. And one more point, guys, last point. Actually, Oracle, so many versions in the web. But here you are learning about the latest version. Oracle 19C. Just confirm that. I'm connected to a database. In our time, we are learning about Oracle 19C. That is the latest version from Oracle company. Okay, so here connected to Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition. Okay, so in our training, you are learning about the latest version of Oracle Database 19C. What is 19C? What is the difference between 19C and other old versions that you will understand? Today, just I have introduced what is Oracle, what is Oracle, what is database, and what is the role of database in our life, and what we are learning in our Oracle, what you are learning. Points only I have covered. Tomorrow I will explain what are the database concepts. First point. Second point, what are the versions of Oracle? Second point. Third point, what is the role of database in project? What is the role of database in project? These 3 points I will explain tomorrow. That's all for today. I hope you don't have any questions. I will send that related documents to our mail IDs. That's all for today. Thank you. See you tomorrow at same time, 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Every day, same time.
So this is Harleen here. I have a doubt.
Yes, Harleen, tell me.
Sir, I am an OCP. I completed within 9I long back,
Okay.
around
Okay.
2008.
Mm-hmm.
So shall I join the batch for upgradation or shall I join some other batch for upgradation?
No. For the upgradation also, you can continue in the same batch. No problem.
Okay, but I have gone through almost kind of means many things are
All
covered. Only upgradation part I need to cover. So that is why
okay.
I'm asking.
Separately, we are not conducting any upgradations.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all of you guys. See you tomorrow.